Listen, I'm back on YouTube. Hey, I was on Instagram, and Instagram just isn't the same as YouTube. It just doesn't feel the same. I don't know. It's just not it. As a lot of y'all know, this month is Inktober. A challenge made by Jake Parker. Basically, you got to do a drawing every single day of this month based on a prompt. So y'all can see my couple drawings right here. The first day was poisonous, so I did a drawing based off that. Second day, the prompt was tranquil, so I did a drawing on that. But y'all get the idea. So I'm going to be posting drawings on my Instagram since I'm doing that challenge. So make sure y'all follow me on there. Anyway, for this video, I had to put together a little doodle. Y'all know I made like a couple doodle videos previously. My last one was over the summer. But basically, I was just drawing a whole bunch of random stuff, putting stuff together. Because it's been like 2 weeks since I made a video. I'm trying to shake some rust off now. I let too much time pass. So I gotta do a little something to get back into the YouTube grind. Bro, y'all really let me go 2 weeks without posting a video. That's 2 weeks. I don't think I ever, since I started, I don't think I ever took that long to put a video out. So that's tough. I'm sorry. Anyway, in this drawing though, as y'all can see, I made like two halves in this doodle. I didn't really put like too much thought into it because I just wanted it to be like a doodle, like a random thing. But I did plan out like just a little bit. So basically, like the left side of it, that's supposed to be like paradise. You got the mansion, the money, the crown, the king, the palm tree. I was trying to make it look like Beverly Hills over there. Put some stars in the sky. And listen, I'm not good at drawing like buildings and stuff, like mansions, houses, stuff. So I try my best with that. But now on the right side though, I was trying to go for like a little bit of the opposite. I got the little devil dude. He's staring down that guy in the middle. He got like a little like a trench coat on or something covering half of his face. The random stuff started to come out at the bottom of his cape, like it was flying out the bottom of it. And I'm trying to step up my scenery game, so I threw the moon behind him too. Anyway, right here y'all can see how it turned out. Put a lot more stuff in this one compared to like my other doodle videos. So when it came down to the coloring, basically the paradise part, the nice part of the drawing, I'm gonna put color on that. And then for the right side, it's gonna be black and white. It's gonna be like the Inktober drawings. Now listen, let me talk about Inktober for a minute. Now, bro, it's tough. I don't really know what else to say. Listen, last year, I made it a record-breaking 3 days, which means I did a drawing for 3 out of the 31 days I was supposed to do a drawing. I felt like a champion. Because the 3 days was longer than the year before that, so I felt like I did good. Nah, but this time I have to do the full 31 days. I have to. It's a tough challenge because you just start to get burned out. I got a new mini sketchbook just for Inktober. I did that because I knew if I used like a full-size sketchbook or something, I would probably stop after one drawing. That would be just too much. I would stop after one, so I had to think a little bit ahead this time. But it's still a really fun challenge though, don't get it wrong. I like doing the prompt type drawings. I really enjoy those, so I have a lot of fun doing it. But yeah, listen, you guys should do the Inktober too. Next week I'm probably gonna I'll probably do some shout outs for people doing the Inktober. Put it in my Instagram story because I'm not gonna be able to get everybody, like every single person. But I'm gonna start doing a few next week. But listen, if you can go to full 31 days for Inktober, I got a lot of respect for you. That's like even if you make it like halfway, even like a week, that's a week. I'm struggling and it hasn't even been a week yet. Anyways, y'all can see I finished the left part of the drawing. That's the part that was in color. Like I said, this part on the right, as you can tell from the thumbnail, it was just black, white. I used the grays for it. This honestly started to feel like the grayscale challenge I did a while back. Anyway, though, yeah, this was pretty much, it was just like a doodle video. I wanted to do a doodle video, shake off some rust. Now, hopefully, I'm going to have another video coming soon. I've been working on another one because I wanted to get 2 this week, but it doesn't look like it. So the next one will probably be coming out early next week. Also, if I make it through the full Inktober, I'll do like a sketchbook tour, the mini sketchbook that I did the drawings in too. So make sure y'all check that out. Anyway, though, Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I gotta start working on my Inktober drawing. I gotta get, what is this, day 6? I gotta get that started. So please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'm out.